Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 9th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the eucalyptus plants that I'm overwintering. Now, the one in the clay container, I did lose that one. I lost one last year too in the clay container, so I'm not going to be planting them in clay containers anymore. I'm just going to be sticking to the plastic container. See here how it's growing for me. I'm going to show you my little seedlings over here real quick. You can see down in there that some of my coolies dropped their seeds, and they're sprouting in the eucalyptus container here. Now, you can feed this with an organic plant food. You could use Sea Magic. I have a link down in the description for it. That's an organic plant food. And then you could also feed them with an Epsima plant tone. I have a link down in the description for that. That's another organic plant food. You could feed them. So I'm going to show you my little seedlings here real quick. So under here are my little eucalyptus seedlings. And because my eucalyptus seeds are still germinating, I'm making sure that the top of the seed starting mix stays nice and moist. And I do take my spray bottle and I spray across the top to make sure that the remaining seeds still have the moisture that they need to continue germinating. I know I have 2 of them up right now. I think I planted 5 total in there. So I'm still waiting for some of my eucalyptus to sprout. Okay, so far 2 of them came up for me. I did, I think, 5 in here. I used the same method as I used before. I have a link down in the description for how I start my eucalyptus from seed. And I've been was reading a thing where it was saying for northern climates, you should actually grow your eucalyptus in black containers. The black will help draw the heat in, and they like the heat. So I'm going to be planting some in black containers this year and seeing how they do. Now, I'm going to use the plastic containers. I'm not going to be using the clay containers anymore for growing eucalyptus, because it just, over the winter time, I lost it twice. So I'm going to be switching to a different type of container. The plastic seems to work well for them. And I'm going to put these back under the light under here. And I'm actually hoping to see this one here bloom this year for me, so that I can collect the seeds off of it. I've never had one of my eucalyptuses bloom yet, but I'm hoping that they'll bloom this year for me. And I'll come back with more updates then as these continue to grow. And so if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter and get updates on how plants are doing, gardening tips, what videos are going to be coming up. So I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.